Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 11 on SolidWorks. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use pattern in SolidWorks. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. On to new part, okay. Change the dimension into mmgs and let's start sketching. Okay. First of all, we would make this base of this model. Three hundred by 150 mm. Okay. Click on center line and make a center line over here. Okay. Then make these, take a square and make it over here, and then take 3-point arc. Then take center point arc and draw semicircle over here. Okay. Now trim the entities, dimension it. Okay, first of all, do one thing. Click this hole and make a center line over here. Okay. Now click this hole, sketch, mirror it about this axis. Okay. Make this point coincident. Okay. And both are now coincident. Now dimension it to 30 mm. Okay. They are now equally dimensioned on both the sides. Okay. Now make these 4 circles. Okay. Press Ctrl and click on all these circles and give it a relation equal. Then dimension them of 20 dia. Okay. Now place them equally as per the given dimensions. Okay. Make it horizontal. Okay. 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 Make it vertical. Okay. Dimension it. Okay. Five. Okay. Then make it vertical. Okay. Dimension it. Okay. 25. Okay. Now trim the entities from here and from here. Don't forget to close this. Okay. Everything is now properly dimensioned. Okay. Now go over here. First of all, select extruded boss base. Make this extruded till 32 mm. 32 mm. Okay. Now you see here our base is ready. Okay. Now we would make this circle, this part. Click on the surface and click on sketch. Make it normal to. Start sketching. First of all, do one thing, make center line. Okay. Now make a circle. Okay. Of dia 150. Okay. Make another circle in between, that is of 70 dia. Make it 70. Okay. Now extrude it. From the base it is given 90 mm. And we have to take the extrude part from here, so it would be 58 mm. Okay. Now we have to make these circles, these 8 holes. Click on this surface, click on sketch, go normal to, click on this circle, make this circle, click on this circle and click on for construction. Then again click on this circle, control press, click on this circle and make it concentric. Okay. Then take circle and make a circle over here, which would be of 15 dia. Okay. Make this construction circle diameter as 106. Okay. Now we would pattern these circles. Go over here, click on circular sketch pattern, click on this circle, click on this center point. Clear this section first, click on this center point. Okay. Now make it equally spacing. Over here do it 8 holes. You would get this preview over here and then click on OK. So we got 8 circles over the surface. Then easily extrude cut through all. Okay. Over here our model is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.